Shiba Inu coin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market has undoubtedly been hit very hard over the last couple of weeks, really over the last couple of months. Shiba Inu coin going from about 3,300 points per coin down to the current 1,100 points per coin. Bitcoin going from 110,000 to the current $80,000. The market is getting hit hard. Now, Shiba Inu coin, as you guys can see, has lost key support, and there are two paths forward for Shiba Inu coin right now, and we're going to be going over those in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, it's not good news for Shiba Inu coin right now. There's a lot of bad news in the market, and there's no covering that up. Right, we can see that the fear and greed index right now, guys, is sitting at a level of 15 extreme fear. Yesterday was 17 extreme fear. And of course, anytime investors are as fearful as they are right now, nobody is willing to buy. It takes a very strong-willed individual to go in and buy the dip, especially when the dip is producing this much fear. Now, me, myself, I do believe that a lot of this fear is manufactured. I believe a lot of it is driven by the media to make you afraid of tariffs and economic wars and economic collapse and all of this stuff that is just not going to happen. But Shiba Inu coin specifically has been hit hard. So let's talk about some of the numbers. It says a crucial support level was recently broken or lost by Shiba Inu coin, and the future of the well-known meme coin appears bleak. Right now, now that the price of Shiba Inu coin has fallen below the critical 1,200 point per coin threshold, the asset may be about to take a disastrous turn. And like I say, guys, the media, these articles that you're reading, may make it a little worse than it truly has to be. Disastrous does not have to be in our cards. If people simply understood what was going on right now, we have a major opportunity, not a major problem. The token could either attempt an immediate recovery or continue to decline, which could remove a decimal from its price as bearish pressure increases. Shiba Inu coin has been progressively falling over the last few weeks as short-term moving averages have been driving it lower. I don't think it's the short-term moving averages driving it lower, guys. I think it's the fear that is driving it lower. The collapse of the 1,200 point per coin level has validated the widespread concern that there is insufficient buying support to keep the asset's price stable. Shiba Inu coin is now in a very precarious situation as a result. The next significant support level is 900 points per coin. If bulls do not intervene, investors might suffer a severe technical and psychological setback, which is true. I don't doubt that part at all. If people are unwilling to buy, and Bitcoin actually seems to be bouncing back a little bit right now from 79 to 81,000 right there. I got it up on the other screen. I'm watching it. But Shiba Inu coin, guys, at 1,160 points per coin is very, very low. But here's the part where I believe it's not looking good in the short term. Not because of the moving average crossovers, not because any of that, but because of the fear. Retail investors, for whatever reason, will not buy the dip. And you might, right? On an individual basis, you might. But talking collectively, retail investors are way too afraid to buy right now. They're selling. They're panic selling. And I get it. You might sell right now and the price might come down a little bit more and you buy back in, and that's a strategy. Absolutely. But retail investors en masse are selling right now, which is why we cannot catch a break, which is why we cannot see the price rise. It says, though current market conditions indicate a lack of momentum, Shiba Inu coin has historically relied on strong community and speculative support. Unfortunately, it seems like both of these important factors are long gone. The meme coin market is already having difficulties, and Shiba Inu coin's capacity to bounce back is coming under increasing scrutiny due to rapidly falling on-chain activity. If Shiba Inu coin keeps declining, it could be disastrous to lose the 1,000. And guys, I don't think it's a disaster. We've been here time and time and time again. But regardless, let's take a look at the overall meme coin market right now, because it is getting hit very hard. You can see a level of 15 extreme fear on the fear and greed index out on CoinMarketCap. And to put it in perspective, guys, we have not seen extreme fear. We have not seen levels below this red line in the entirety of this chart right here. And it goes back to mid-2023. So please understand that we're in a very, very, fearful situation for the overall cryptocurrency market right now. But if we go into meme coins specifically, we can see that we are now at a $43 billion valuation. Prices may be trying to bounce back a little bit from the lows that we hit last night, but the overwhelming, I guess, path is down. You look over the last 30 days, down 37%, from around $70 billion to $40 billion. All time, we're still doing okay, but we are down massively here. Bear market lows, guys, take you back to the $15, $20 billion range. I don't know if we're headed there or not, but what I do know is this is a very steep decline. From $124 billion, $127 billion on December 6th, down to $40 billion. That is over a 66% decline. You look at this here, the peak of 2021, $90 billion, down to about $12 billion. So we could fall further to get back down to those levels. But I am telling you right now, meme coins have been hit hard over the last 3 months, and it has caused a lot of retail investors to lose a lot of money and lose a lot of faith. They've lost their confidence. And that's the catalyst, right? I do not know what brings the confidence back so that we can see Shiba Inu coin on that second path, the path to recovery. Something will trigger confidence, okay? I don't know if it's going to be Doge dividends. I don't know if it's going to be people seeing that tariffs work. I don't know if it's going to be a retracing or a retracting of the tariffs and we go a different direction. I do not know what's going to spark that confidence, but I know that when it happens, we will see massive gains. It says, however, there's still hope. A relief rally may develop if Shiba Inu coin is able to maintain a position above 900 points per coin and buyers intervene forcefully. The token would then have the opportunity to recover lost levels. However, given the current momentum, there's still a greater chance of more significant declines. To prevent a free fall, Shiba Inu coin needs to recover that 1200 point per coin level in the coming days. And I agree, right? Nobody knows what tomorrow brings. We simply know what's happening right now. And right now, prices are down, fear is high, and retail is unwilling to buy. But I am willing to accumulate. Guys, I do have a lot of USDT that I can deploy. I've got major losses that I am sitting on a lot of these meme coins and even some layer ones that I own. I am sitting on some losses right now. I feel it just the same as you guys do. But I've been here. I've done this. Right? I've watched 2017 collapse. I've watched 2021 collapse. And I don't believe that this is the beginning of a bear market or anything of that matter. I believe we have such strong growth ahead of us for the cryptocurrency industry that I cannot help myself, but I have to go out and accumulate. One of the places I'm doing so is the KSX exchange. You guys got links for it down there. And one of the most recent tokens, major tokens that they've added is Picoin. If you guys want to grab Picoin, you've got access to that as well as basically any other cryptocurrency you could ever want. And you can trade futures fees right now, are 0% maker, 0% taker on some of these coins. And you can trade on up to 100x leverage, meaning if you see a 1% gain, you double your money. Of course, 1% loss, you get margin called. So be very careful trading on leverage. And one of the latest meme coins that I have been buying is a layer 2 blockchain being built for Solana. It does not need a layer 2 right now, but it will when traders return. I am buying for the future. I am not buying for right now. I am buying for future gains. I want to know if you guys and what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.